Sienna looks like she's about my age, and she begins the session by saying that she would like to understand her relationship with her mom better. Sienna's grandmother says that while she was born out of a relationship where she cared for somebody, she didn't leave to go to be with that person. So she stays with her husband. There are other children. She doesn't have the means to leave financially. And she doesn't explain whether the man asks her to leave her husband. None of that gets answered or even asked, by the way.
But this was an extramarital affair?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. And 2 years after her birth, whatever happens in the home, everything hits a crisis point, and she's given to her grandparents to be raised.
You could be listening right now. Coffee with the Sarlos airs early for our patrons on patreon.com/the Sarlos.